Hello my fellow mathematician, welcome to the study of complex number. We are considering on how you can expand complex number by use of what is called Lourent series. And the Lourent series enables us as mathematician to expand the function at a point where it is not defined at the pole. So here the pole is at z is equal to 0 and the other pole it is at z is equal to 1. So we consider the series for the pole at z is equal to 0. Now in this case, we can factor negative outside so that we are going to have 1 minus z, and we take this up so that now we expand it and the factor in the bracket. We are going to expand this series 1 minus z, which is in the bracket, and when we expand, the resulting answer is as shown here all the way to the last term. After expanding now, we remove the bracket by multiplying every item here with the negative, so that now we get the result as shown here, as written here. Then we want to see the expansion at z is equal to 1, and we are going to let our u to be z minus 1, whereby now z is equal to u plus 1. Then the function f of z as 1 over negative z cubic into bracket 1 minus z power that negative. Then we substitute where you have u, you substitute it with z minus 1, it is u, and z is u plus 1, we substitute it there, and then we take the denominator up so that instead of 1 plus u, it will be 1 plus u everything power negative 3. Then we use the fact that if you have a series like this one, 1 plus x power n, the result is 1 plus nx plus n into bracket n minus 1, 2 factorial, x power n minus 1 all the way to the last term. So making the use of that fact, our n is 3. So here, instead of n, we are writing negative 3. And now, after operating n, that is 3, negative 3 into bracket negative 3 minus 1, we are going to obtain negative 3 multiplied by negative 2, it will give you 6. In this other case here, you have negative 3 multiplied by is going to give you this, and the last part will give you this value here. After simplifying, remember our n is negative 3. Our n is equivalent to negative 3. So that is the kind of the factor we are making use here in this case. It is important to note that. And that is our resulting working. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with us. For more such learning, kindly tune on to this channel so that you don't miss a single learning which will bring to us now and then as we keep on learning together. And bye bye for now. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning this field of complex mathematics in a simple method steps, whereby maths is simplified for you, and all what is needed, it is for you to take time and to study in a simple method steps as you acquire knowledge through learning.